Hello, this is GOOFIT product display. This is a PW50 carburetor with oil filter. The carburetor intake inside diameter is 20 mm. Air filter diameter is 30 mm. Item replacement for Yamaha PW50 PY50 50cc engines and motorcycles. The other one is PW80 carburetor. The carburetor intake inside diameter is 20 mm. Air filter diameter is bigger than the previous one. This one is 32 mm. It is replacement for Yamaha PW80 and Zinger 1983 to 2006 motorcycles. They are all made of high-quality metal, which is high hardness and good strength, providing reliable performance and long service time. Please click below links for more product information. Item comes with a delicate keychain. Please scan the QR code backside. Follow us on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe our GOOFIT YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.